Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we're reporting live from our weekly spot. We're back at CVS. And today we're going to get into a different type of video, but this should be a quick, informative video. Today I want to talk about CVS beginner couponing when you're working with a brand new CVS card. So in today's video, I'm going to be working with a brand new CVS card, just one card that I have signed up for today. So I went online on the CVS website and I registered for a brand new card and I signed up this afternoon. So this card has no CRTs on it. If you're not familiar with what CRTs means, that means cash register tape coupons. It's really just a short name for CVS coupons, the store coupons that you start to get once you shop at CVS frequently. So I will be using no CRTs today, and I'm going to show you how I would shop if I was starting from scratch, bare bones at CVS. So first things first, if you are starting a brand new CVS card like I am, and you already have one and you don't want those cards to be linked together, you have to use different contact information, so different email address, different phone number, all of those different contact details, or else those cards will be linked together into the same card. So I've signed up from scratch with a brand new card that will not be linked to my current cards. So first thing that I did is I actually registered for the CarePass program when I walked in the store. So the stores are going to be super excited to sign you up for the CarePass, and this for me is really the first thing that you should do if you are getting started from scratch to lower your out-of-pocket. The CarePass program has a lot of different benefits, but my favorite benefit is that you get a $10 extra buck that you can spend online or in the store every single month, and the charge for the program is either $4 a month or $5 a month if you pay monthly. But the good part about the CarePass program is the first month is free. So I came into the store and I signed up for the CarePass program. Here's my receipt. I just signed up for it today, and that first month was free, so I didn't pay anything today. I will pay my first $5 for this program in a month if I do keep the CarePass on this card. So signing up for the CarePass gave me $10 to get started with nothing out of pocket, but I also got another $3 because I registered my email address and attached it to my extra care card. And if you sign up for an extra care card online and you add your email address, that $3 in extra bucks generally shows up to your account within a couple hours. So now I have $13 total to get started, and I haven't spent any money out of pocket. So now let's talk about what I'm going to do with that money. So the first thing that I could do with that money is I could pick up some of these Oral-B toothbrushes. I'm not going to do this deal because my store only has a couple left. These are on sale, buy 3 get back a $5 extra buck at $3.99 each. So I could pick up 3 of these. That would total me up to $11.97. We have a $5 off of 3 digital coupon and a $2 digital coupon that will double dip and come off, leaving me to pay just $4.97. Then I'll get back 5, making 3 of those toothbrushes free. Now I'm not going to do this deal. Let me show you which one I am going to do. So instead I am going to do this deal on the Crest toothpaste. I'm going to pick up the ones that are $3.89. Now this Crest toothpaste you do have to be careful with if you're going to do toothpaste instead, because the price is not on sale for $3.99. It is whatever the regular price is. So some of them are $3.99. The one that I'm picking up is actually $3.89, and this is included. So I'm going to pick up a total of 3 of these instead. So 3 of these are going to total me up to $11.67. So $11.67, I have that same $5 off of 3 digital coupon, and I also have a $2 digital coupon. Now both of those are probably going to come off. Now it's not supposed to work that way. Technically only the $5 off of 3 is supposed to come off, but the way the CVS system is set up, each coupon is set up to attach to one item, so it kind of glitches and both of them do come off. I get a lot of questions about that. So we should get a total of $7 in savings, leaving us to pay just $4.67. So I'm going to pay $4.67 and then get back 5, making these 3 not only free, but a small money maker. The next item I'm going to grab is some Colgate mouth rinse. So these are on sale. Spend 10, get back a $5 extra buck this week. We have a $4 off of 2 digital coupons that I'm going to use on these. So these two are going to total me up to $10.98 for both of them. I'm going to use that $4 off of 2 digital coupon. That's going to leave me to pay $6.98 at the register. I'm going to pay that $6.98, then get back $5 in extra bucks. That's going to make these $1.98 or just 99 cents each. Now I'm going to grab some CVS floss picks. So these are $2.69. We have a $2 digital coupon that's going to make this just 69 cents. We won't get any extra bucks back. And then the final item I'm going to grab is 2 free paparazzi nail polishes. So these are 2 for $5, and then when you buy 2, you're going to get back a $5 extra buck. So we're going to grab these and we are going to pay the $5, get back the $5, making both of them completely free. So this is going to be my first transaction. This is about $30 worth of products. I have all of my digital coupons loaded. We have the $5 off of 3 and the $2 off, the 4 off of 2, the $2 off, and then no coupons for the paparazzi. After all of my coupons, my balance should be about $17.34. I am going to use that $13 in free money that I have that CVS has provided me from the Care Pass sign up and the email link, and then I'm going to pay that $4.34 out of pocket. So I'm going to pay the $4.34, but then I am going to get back $15 in extra bucks, 5 for the paparazzi, 5 for the Colgate, and then 5 from the Crest. That's going to make my final out of pocket, if I did not have that free money, about $2.34 for all of these items. Now I'm picking up a good variety of items in this transaction because I want to get this new card started off strong. And I know you may be like, what do you mean started off strong? It's really important when you're starting a new CVS card that you buy a good variety of items. So buy different items that you want to receive CRTs, CVS coupons for in the future. So that's why I'm picking up a nice variety. I have Crest, I have Colgate, I have CVS brand items, I have this paparazzi because I want CVS to start generating coupons for this account for these items that I'm picking up. All right, you guys, so that worked out perfectly. Let me show you a close-up of my receipt. So there's all of the items that we got, and then there's all of our coupons coming off. That Crest did double dip, so we had a good situation there. That brought our subtotal down to $4.30 after we used that $13 in extra bucks. So we paid out $4.30 out of pocket, and then I did get back $15. So I got back $5 for the Colgate, I got back $5 for the Crest, and I got back $5 for the paparazzi. So now we have $15 in extra bucks to use for our next transaction. So now I'm going to do the spend 30, get 10, and I'm going to start by grabbing 2 bags of Tide Pods. We have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. The next thing I'm going to grab is the Scott toilet paper. So I wanted to actually grab some Scott paper towels in this breakdown along with a Lysol toilet bowl cleaner. But since they don't have that, I'm going to rework real quick and I'm going to grab this Scott toilet paper. So this is $8.99. I have no manufacturer coupons for this. I'm also going to grab an Axe deodorant. So these are $5.99. I'm grabbing Axe because we have a $1 fetch reward for the Axe. Now, if you don't care about the $1 fetch rewards, you can grab a different brand of deodorant. The Degree is also included in this sale and the coupon, along with the Dove as well. To complete my spend 30, I'm going to grab one of these Lindt Lindor chocolates. So I'm going to grab one for $5.29. These are also included in the spend 30. We have a $2 in-app coupon, which means you will only be able to download this digital coupon if you are working inside the CVS app. So you have to open up that CVS app in order to see this coupon on your account. All right, you guys, so this is going to be my complete spend 30 deal. This totals up to $30.25. For the deodorant, I have a $2 digital coupon. For the Lindt, I have my $2 in-app coupon. For the Tide, I have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. Now, I'm also going to be using one printable coupon in this deal. I'm going to be using this 3 off of 2 Tide printable coupon that you can print from the P&G Everyday website. I'm going to be using this because I hope that those 2 coupons, the $3 digital and the $3 paper, will double dip. Now that is a glitch. It is not supposed to come off at the same time, but the way the CVS system is set up, they generally will work together. And the way that works is if you go to the self checkout, then what you want to do is scan your one paper coupon after you scan your items before you enter in your phone number. If you're checking out with a traditional cashier, you can enter in your phone number at the beginning of the transaction, but this paper coupon has to be scanned before your transaction is totaled and your digitals are applied. So we should get about $6 in savings with that double dip, and that's going to bring my total to $20.25. So 2025 minus the $15 in extra bucks that we have from our first transaction, we're going to roll those into this deal. We're going to pay $5.25 out of pocket, but then I'm going to submit back to Fetch Rewards, and I am going to get back at least $1 for the Axe. I may get back a little bit more because of the Scott as well. So that is going to bring our total out of pocket to $4.25 for this transaction. All right, you guys, so that second transaction went beautifully as well. Let me show you a close-up of my receipt. So there's everything that we picked up. There's our Scott, our Tide, our Axe, and then there's the one paper coupon that we use, that printable, and then there's our digitals and our $15 from the first transaction. We paid $5.25 out of pocket, and then I did get back that $10 in extra bucks. So now I have $10 in CVS money that I can roll into my shopping on next week. So we still got our $10 that we started with from the Care Pass to keep the rolling continued. So we have gotten all these items, and then after you consider the dollar back that we got from Fetch Rewards for the Axe, that is about $8.55 out of pocket for this deal. So I think we did really good, you guys. So let me know if you have any questions about this. I hope this gives you an idea of how you can get started at CVS and the type of hauls you can do with no CRTs required, just getting started with a brand new card. And now that we have actually made a couple purchases with this brand new card, we will start to get some CVS coupons in the next couple weeks. So this is how you get the game started with very little out of pocket. This is under $10, and we got all of these good household items. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe, and let me know down below if this type of video is helpful for you. I thank you all so much for watching today's video, and as always, you guys, I'll talk to you soon. Bye, you all.